So, what is Black August? It's an annual commemoration of the Black liberation struggle that focuses on political prisoners and the prison struggle here in the United States. August itself is a month filled with landmark historical moments in the Black liberation struggle. It was in August 1619 when enslaved Africans were first brought to the United States, and it was in August of 1791 when enslaved Africans launched the Haitian Revolution. But the events that really bound together Black August focused on the prison struggle stem from one very important figure, George Jackson. George Jackson was a Field Marshal of the Black Panther Party, a prison organizer, and one of the most influential revolutionaries of his lifetime, accomplishing all of this while he was behind bars. In 1961, at just 19 years old, Jackson was convicted on armed robbery charges for stealing $70 and sentenced to a prison term of 1 to life, meaning prison administrators had complete control over the length of his sentence. Despite living under extreme repression, George Jackson's political fire was ignited, and he would become an activist and an inspiration to people inside and outside of the prison walls. Because of his massive influence, prison administrators made it clear they were going to keep Jackson locked up for as long as they could. So he and 2 other prisoners, known as the Soledad brothers, were charged with the murder of a prison guard. Because of that, in August of 1970, his 17-year-old brother, Jonathan Jackson, launched the Marin County Courthouse uprising in an effort to get his brother free. Despite his remarkable bravery, Jonathan Jackson was assassinated during the events of that day. And only 1 year later, in August of 1971, George Jackson too would be assassinated by prison guards. Black August is an important time to commit ourselves to fighting for the freedom of currently held political prisoners, but it also calls upon us to ask important questions about the prison system as a whole here in the United States. Like, how many George Jacksons do we not know about? How many more people capable of incredible things have had their lives taken from them by this unjust system? A system that would commit a teenager to prison for the rest of his life on petty robbery charges, while the capitalists who have stolen virtually everything from us hardly see any punishment for their crimes. We reject this, but in the spirit of Black August, we do more than just reject this. We commit ourselves, no matter how harsh the conditions or how difficult the reality, to building a new system. Study, fast, train, fight.